sounds a little slick. Let's go this way. Oh, look at that big area. Yes. I love this place. Okay, we're gonna try and stick to the main roads. Taxi and a flight to catch. Damn, it's so good. But these are old stones here. Straight up Merrill hiking boots with a great traction, and this is just slick rock. Oh yeah, here we are. There's a church. Sorry, I'm bouncing. I'm all excited. I just love this area. We're headed to this gate up here, and this is like where it really gets deep and heavy for me. Like, if you come here, you know, I could spend hours looking at the different constructions going on here, like how that little cross member just dies into there. They just tore down enough to build a tower, and then this pillar here. And this pillar here, what did they do, right? It's like you wonder what was here. And yeah, that's a little church thing. But the real heavy part for me is you look at these stones, and these stones, these are OG. These were placed here when this was built. And you know, how many millions of people have walked on these stones, tripped on these stones, you know, and they're still here. And then this is the old gate. It's like a double gate of sorts, or different constructions, I don't know, but it's just so amazing to sit here and look at all this. and all the little alleyways and the rock work. I mean, I think this curb was here. You know, built this curb. Just big rocks. Just big rocks. This is a prime example of how safe it is here in Croatia. That bike barely got a walk on it. Probably cut the walk with your nail cutters. And cut the wire. You wouldn't even have to cut the wire. You could just break the wire. But nobody even thinks about stealing it. That's how safe it is in Croatia. Look at this. I'm gonna miss this. Not gonna miss slipping on these rocks. I'll tell you that. Just history and beauty everywhere you look. Somebody was talking about communism when they were off on some rant, and you know, it didn't make full sense to me, but it was an interesting concept. And they were talking about how communism, you know, they build all these bleak buildings to kind of keep people's mindset down and, you know, keep people subtly depressed and blah 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 blah. And so, you know, their argument was surround yourself with beauty, right? That we naturally want to beautify and surround ourselves with beauty, and when you're here, the beauty you find is intense and everywhere. It's like everywhere you look, it's just beautiful, and it does kind of wash a feeling over you if you've never felt before. It's you know, familiar to me being places like Hawaii or California 30 years ago, some spots, right? It's like, you know, I've experienced it many times, but it's just so in your face here, because you know, if you're walking down the street, you'll just stop and pause. You go, oh wow. You know, it gets that wow factor over and over and over. Strip, freshly washed. Okay, I gotta put the camera down and find my ride.